Hi, I'm Mary, the design specialist here with FLOORZZ, and today I'm going to be giving you some fall inspiration for a bathroom renovation. Over here we have this beautiful terracotta tile. It's an X shape and there are little diamonds in between, which you could also do a monochromatic look if you wanted to do the terracotta on terracotta. And there are also different options for glossy versus the matte diamonds. This tile is very matte and a good neutral that can be a great transition for fall. And over here we have a charcoal gray, which is another very popular trending color this fall, mixed with some other earthy neutrals. This is the X mixed with the star shape for a great monochromatic look, or you could also mix some of the colors together. Over here we have blue, terracotta, and a sage green. These tiles can be done on their own or mixed together. This is a more simple flat tile. This one kind of has a little bevel to give it some texture. Could be gray intermixed or on their own. Here we have a great white tile that would be great mixed with any of these for fall. It's glossy, it kind of has a good texture, beautiful for shower walls, backsplashes. Over here we have this beautiful jewel green, which is another trending color this fall. Glossy, can be great on shower walls, backsplashes as well. And then down here we have terracotta and this beautiful bone color. These have a gorgeous, gorgeous texture. Beautiful with the grout that's monochromatic. This can be used on the floor, backsplash. Very, very gorgeous for fall. And then over here we have some different size subway tiles. And this is a beautiful charcoal gray for fall, a deep kind of burgundy, and then a cherry red. And this one kind of has some texture you can see. And this is a 4x16. And then this one is more smooth, can be great. These are all great for shower walls, backsplashes. And this one is in the color Plum Crazy. And this one is a 3x12. This one also has some texture. Very, very gorgeous for fall. Thanks for watching, and check all this tile out on FLOORZZ.com, where you can also order samples and order products.